Here are 5 interesting facts about human nature. Number 1 is that smart people often have fewer friends than others because the smarter you are, the choosier you get with pals. Number 2 is if you speak 2 languages, you might act differently without realizing it, depending on your language. Number 3 is when you feel like you lack something, such as money or love. You tend to dwell on it often. Number 4 is that we're usually more imaginative at night, but less creative during the day. Number 5 is that memories are like puzzle pieces rather than precise pictures.